Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Pet Incubator and grow a garden and how you can basically use it. So to get the Pet Incubator, you actually get it by leveling up your friendship with Raphael over here. So if you give Raphael some food, you will level up your friendship with him. As you can see, if you select the show me the egg shop, I have opened up tier 2 here. Just gonna buy this, I don't know. But you'll get the pet incubator once you level up your friendship with Raphael. So basically, you're going to see your pet incubator in in your cosmetics inventory. And this is what it looks like. You can put your pet in there, and to fuel it up, you're just going to get like some fruits. Let's do a dragon fruit or something. So select your fruit and just submit fuel here, and it basically adds fuel to basically level up your pet. So yesterday it was at level 26, now it's at level 30, and it doesn't take much to fuel the pets. Basically, it's probably like the same thing as feeding the pets, but I don't know, it just adds more XPs to it. So you can level up your pets easily by putting it in the incubator, but unfortunately they cannot like apply the mutation yet to your plants. So if they're in the incubator, they cannot apply any mutations, but they will level up, however, and it doesn't make the pet look smaller. My my dragonfly isn't that small. But yeah, that's how you can basically level up pets. I might put my mochi mouse so that I can kind of like trade it so I can get more space in my egg inventory, maybe. I don't know yet, but that's how you can get and use the pet incubator and grow a garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.